I'm going to show you how to connect a Sony camera to a Chromebook. First thing, you might need to connect the HDMI cable to a Sony. The micro HDMI like this. You connect it like this to the Sony. Once they're connected, the other end of the HDMI goes into this USB video capture drive. You connect it like this. Then you connect it to a Chromebook like this. Then you need to turn on your Chromebook. On your Chromebook, you have to go to your camera app. Make sure your camera is on. Then you switch camera. Notice how the camera acts. Notice you need to do some adjustments. For the adjustments, go to the setup, then HDMI settings. Make sure this one is off. After you do adjustments, go back to the camera app and then switch to the camera you connected. So this is how you connect a Sony camera to a Chromebook. Like and subscribe to my channel, they will helpful.